Spain Urban Tours offers guided tours. It does so through applications that you download to your mobile phone. Tours are offered in 5 languages.
At the beginning, the application presents you with a brief description of the tour in text and audio. From that screen you can start the tour by pressing the yellow button or also access the list of recommended places by pressing the blue button.
When accessing the tour, an interactive map appears in which you can see your location and that of the different points to be covered on the tour, which are numbered along the route.
By clicking on the map, or on the list of locations below it, each location is accessed, and photos of it and a written and audio description are presented.
If at the beginning, we had chosen the blue button for recommended places, we would access a similar screen and interactive map, on which the places of interest near the route also appear numbered, such as bars, cafes, or typical restaurants in which to take a break.
The objective is to be able to take a tour freely, without the limitations of a predetermined schedule or group, being able to dedicate the necessary time to what interests the visitor the most.